Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. Is specific weight an intensive or extensive property? Summary: it is an intensive property because it does not depend on the size of the system. So let us explain further. So first of all, let's recap what intensive property and extensive property are. So intensive property does not depend on the amount of substance. In other words, the value remains the same regardless how much or how little the material you have. And extensive is when it depends on the amount or size of the material present. So by adding more quantity to the substance, it changes. Okay. So the easiest way to prove specific weight is intensive or extensive is simply dividing by 2. So if you divide by 2, you will cancel them out and you're just left with the specific weight. So this indicates that it is independent of the system and material. So it doesn't matter how much you add to it, it is separate from it. Okay, so recap, it's independent, specific weight. Before we leave, I encourage you to save this video on your PC, just in case this video or the channel gets in trouble. However, I do follow copyright laws. So use your snipping tool if you're familiar with it, that's great. If not, follow the steps below, and if you're using Mac, use your Mac equivalent. Alright, so you can find it in the taskbar, otherwise you can search it using the Windows search. So once you got your snipping tool, click on the video option, click on new, left click, drag the rectangle and cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button, let the video finish. Hit the red square button to stop recording, save your video. Alright, like and subscribe. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Share with your friends because this is a made up question, so they won't be able to find it. If you got questions or comments, leave it in the comment section. Until next time, see ya.